Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the VGR V030 professional hair trimmer. From the box you can tell what the trimmer actually looks like. I'll give a closer look. What else is there? This particular trimmer comes with USB charging, we will see soon enough. It has precision T blades, the precision ground blades stay sharp longer, on-off switch, green indicator working in fully charged indication, and red indicator for when the battery charge is low. That's more or less it. Let's open this box and see what's inside. So this is what you'll find inside the box. Let's take a look at each of these components. This is a manual, a safety instruction and an instruction manual for the VGR V030. It's a very detailed document, so please read it at least once. This is the USB-A charging cable. It's a pretty long cable, almost 2 meters in length it would seem. We'll leave this here as well. There are 1, 2, 3 and there are 5 detachable combs. Let's take them out. Let's take a closer look. This is a 1 millimeter. This is a 2 millimeter. 3 millimeter. Sorry, let's keep the 3 millimeter here. 3 millimeter. 4 millimeter. And a 5 millimeter detachable comb. We also have a cleaning fluid for cleaning the motor inside. Now let's take a look at the trimmer itself. It comes with a unique curvy design. The power button is on the side over here. There you can hear the motor. It has a nice texture over here, grip texture. You can see, I'll get you a closer look there. You can see this texture over here. Has a glossy metallic finish as well. Although it is made out of plastic, this actually has a very nice finish. It looks pretty good. This is the T-shape blade design that was written on the box, and you can see the VGR navigator logo on top as well. The head is obviously removable. This is the cap for the blades. I'm going to remove the cap. There you go. This is the cap for the blade. I'm going to keep the cap here. These are what the stainless steel blades look like. I'm going to turn them on again and see if it actually works. There you go. When I switch it on, you get to see this. You can see this green LED indicator over here as well. I'm going to turn it on and show it to you again. 3, 2, 1. There you see. And over here you can see the micro USB charging port and a standard charging port as well. And this is it. This is what you will find inside the box containing the VGR V030 professional hair trimmer.